Hi guys! You are watching this video of mine, it means that you are interested in the products I have shown. If you want to buy such best under-desk ellipticals, then you can take any one of your choice from the 5 links given in my video description. I have deeply searched all the types of products available on Amazon and presented the best 5 products for you here. You can save both your time and money by watching this full video and buying the best product of your choice. And subscribe to the channel to get more products you need. Product number 1. Putnen Under-Desk Elliptical. Using the Putnen Under-Desk Elliptical has genuinely boosted my daily activity without leaving my chair. What stands out first is how quiet and smooth it operates. I can pedal forwards or backwards while on calls, writing emails, or watching shows without any distracting motor noise. The dual modes, manual with 12 speed levels and several automatic programs, let you progress from gentle movement to more cardio-focused sessions over time. The LCD display and remote make adjusting speeds effortless, especially during long work hours. During rehab and leg strengthening, the consistent motion increased my blood flow and eased stiffness after hours of sitting. However, the resistance is mild at higher speeds, so if you want a very intense workout, it won't replace a full gym session. Considering its build quality and versatile modes, its price feels justified compared to basic pedals that offer no auto modes or bidirectional motion. This is especially great for office workers or seniors wanting gentle daily movement. Product number 2. Merach Elliptical Exerciser. I found the Merach portable elliptical to be an excellent balance of simplicity and performance. From day one, getting it under my desk and pedaling was intuitive. There's no complicated setup, just plug, sit, and start. The 12 adjustable speed levels let me choose between easy circulation boosting during keyboard work or a slightly more vigorous pace when resting. It feels more solid than plastic mini bikes, but lighter than big gym machines, so moving it between office and living room is easy. One thing I noticed is the pedal motion is very smooth, which is great for joints. No jerky moves, even if I pedal faster. It stayed quiet enough that family members rarely noticed I was using it. A mild downside is the display isn't as detailed as higher-end models, so I just track time and speed without calories or distance. But for everyday use, that's totally fine. Compared with other ellipticals around the same price, Merach delivers stable, versatile daily use with dependable build quality. Product number 3. Gugatur Under-Desk Elliptical. The Gugatur Under-Desk Elliptical quickly became a staple in my home office routine. The first thing you notice is the fully assembled, compact design. No frustration with tools or setup. Just slide it under your desk and begin pedaling. It offers 12 resistance levels and both manual and automatic modes, making it easy to vary intensity without stopping work. I love that I can go forwards or backwards, targeting different leg muscles and adding variety to my sessions. It's impressively quiet and smooth thanks to the magnetic resistance system, so I could easily pedal during Zoom calls. The sturdy build feels more durable compared to other mini machines I've tried, and the LCD tracking, time, speed, calories, motivates me to hit small daily goals. The only minor downside is that at very high resistance, it still feels light compared to full bikes or treadmills, but that's typical for under-desk units. Considering its feature set versus price, Gugatur offers remarkable value for regular, low-impact fitness. Product number 4. Cursor Fitness Portable Electric Elliptical Exerciser. This electric elliptical exerciser is one of the first I used under my desk and remains a steady go-to for low-impact activity. It's completely portable and surprisingly smooth even without complicated electronics. I appreciated how it fit easily under my desk or in front of my couch for casual sessions. Because it's electric, the pedals move for you at adjustable speeds, so you can kick back and let it work while focusing on reading or typing. In daily use, this machine helped reduce stiffness after long sessions of sitting and encouraged me to stay active during otherwise sedentary hours. It's not as feature-packed as some higher models, no advanced display or remote included, but its ease of use is its strength. The main drawback is that if you want highly customizable resistance or detailed tracking, this unit feels simpler. But for users wanting a straightforward seated pedal workout that's affordable and portable, this one competes well price-wise with others in the segment.
Product number 5. Yagid Electric Underdesk Elliptical. The Yagid Electric Elliptical was a pleasant surprise in how versatile and user-friendly it feels. From the first session, I noticed the remote control convenience, no bending over to adjust speed, making it ideal for extended use during work or TV time. Its 12 adjustable speeds let you tailor intensity from gentle rehab movement to brisker pedaling, and the quiet motor kept noise low even at higher settings. The pedal design with non-slip surfaces feels secure for all foot sizes. I liked how this model not only targets legs, but with optional resistance bands lets you engage arms lightly, a bonus compared with others that focus only on legs. The LCD is clear enough to track time and speed, although I sometimes wished for calorie or distance metrics. Build quality felt solid for its price range, and portability means easy repositioning around the house. Compared with the other four, Yagid is especially attractive if remote control and bidirectional electric motion matter most to you, without spending too much. Overall, it's a strong all-around pick for daily low-impact fitness.